An insane fight between a cat and a coyote. And the cat narrowly escaped. This Nyala fought as a warrior, with hyenas on the shore and hippos in the river. What an unequal battle!
Right there. Oh my gosh!
One honey badger was ganged up on by 3 leopards, but these big guys quickly regretted their actions. After the rooster's failed threat, the rat became indignant.
Oh my goodness.
The mongoose is the real enemy of snakes. Don't provoke a donkey.
What the? 这么牛逼啊！
This bird was attracted to a spider, but it didn't know that this was a trap. This baby hippo was trying to protect its mother from a hungry lion.
For being pretty much unstoppable under all circumstances, crocodile is almost as large as the honey badger.
Not even a hippopotamus should encroach on an elephant's territory. An inconclusive battle of cows and buffaloes happened in the presence of thousands of spectators. Farm animals gathered together to protect the chickens from the hawks. What a brave young buffalo who directly confronted a male lion. These squirrels were teaming up with the mongoose against the cobra to protect their cubs. As though this honey badger had no fear of anything, it fought back against the lion cubs. The squirrel escaped from the hawk's claws and returned to its banquet table without fear. What a troublesome hippo, the elephant said.
Boom.